Bad
Bad
usability
usability
nightmares.
Okay, so this is just a really strange thing that happened. So what I do when I want to watch TV in my living room is I'll use the Google Home and say, "Hey Google, play whatever on TV," and
Right.
that also applies to the local news. So,
Right. But first, you'll have to unlock your device.
did did you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay, right. I made a mistake by actually using the magic words that activate Google. So what did I say? So the local news, which in our region is East Midlands Today, and so I said play East Midlands Today.
Does that work?
Well,
Okay.
no. Sometimes it does.
Okay.
But what happened today is that there must be some kind of local rapper group who have titled one of their tracks East Midlands Today. so, so what actually started playing was a fairly explicit rap track about the East Midlands. And
I can't imagine. It's not a very gangster place, the East Midlands, is it?
not really. There's not much. Yeah, there's not much excitement going on to make rap songs about. I mean, they did mention the East Midlands Airport, so maybe they were stretching for content a little bit.
I'm going to have to listen to this now. I really
got
want to
a
listen
little
to this
bit.
now.
I mean, you don't have to. It wasn't that good, but it got a bit explicit, and I thought, well, I mean, I don't have any kids kicking about, but is that a problem if I had kids around, I wanted to ask for something on TV, but actually what Google has to do there is find what it thinks that you mean, and that's quite a complicated thing, really. If I asked to play Game of Thrones on TV, how does it know to play Game of Thrones and not like a billion YouTube videos that are also called Game of Thrones? So it's quite a complicated thing to figure out, and sometimes it gets it wrong. A lot of times it gets it wrong.
More often, I think it gets it right more often than it gets it wrong.
But, yeah. If you're asking for something that's popular, if I was asking for Mandalorian, then it knows exactly what to do. It knows exactly to load it from Disney Plus, because that's the problem as well. It's not just loading it from one source. There's all sorts of different sources that could load it from: Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, Netflix, BBC iPlayer. ITV Play, all of those. I mean, some of them I'm subscribed to, some of them I'm not. So it's a complicated thing that it has to do. And sometimes it just gets it. just put something really random on.
I'm sorry, I'm really distracted because I look like a panda.
You do look a bit like Amanda, don't you?
I look like a panda, not Amanda.
You're a man panda.
Because the shadows here. Look.
I know. It's not your inability to copulate that I thought you meant.